A 3 kilo ball is rolled up a plane with an incline of 40 degrees, and we're asked to find the acceleration at the time instant shown, and assume the following friction coefficients. So taking a free body of the ball and drawing the forces that are acting on it, so we have the force of weight, the kinetic friction force, and the normal force. And this angle is equal to the angle of the plane. So applying Newton's first law in a direction parallel to the plane, where we note that the acceleration is to the left because it acts in the direction of the net force. Now alternatively, you can assume the acceleration is positive on the right hand side, and if you get a negative result from the equation, then you just flip the direction of the acceleration. Now applying Newton's first law in a perpendicular direction to the plane, where there's no motion, we obtain the following expression. And note that the magnitude of the kinetic friction force is proportional to the magnitude of the normal force. And we use the kinetic friction coefficient because the ball's in motion. So from this equation, you can substitute for the normal force. You'll get an expression for the kinetic friction force, which you can substitute into this equation, and then you'll be able to find the acceleration.